Right, well, croeso nôl to Cwestiynau Campus for the spring term, tymor y Gwanwyn. And we're going to look at the first question first of all. And this question is asking, beth yw enw dy ysgol di? Any words that you recognise from that question, maybe? Well done, yeah. So, ysgol, which is school, isn't it? Enw, when we say beth yw dy enw di, enw is name. So, beth yw enw dy ysgol di is asking, what is the name of your school? All right. Now, there are different points again that you can achieve. 1 point is obviously given an easy answer, and then 4 points is giving a bit of an extended answer. So let's go through them one by one just to see what they mean and how you can achieve these points, okay? So for 1 point, you could just answer in English. So if someone came up to you and said, beth yw enw dy ysgol di, and you said Griffithstown Primary School, perfect. That would give you the 1 point. For 2 points, you would say it yn Gymraeg. Okay, so Griffithstown Primary School yn Gymraeg is Ysgol Gynradd Griffithstown. Okay, that would give you 2 points. For 3 points, you would be putting it into a full sentence. Okay, so enw ysgol fi yw Ysgol Gynradd Griffithstown. The name of my school is Ysgol Gynradd Griffithstown. And then for 4 points, you'd be giving that full answer, but asking a question to your partner at the end too. So, for example, enw ysgol fi yw Ysgol Gynradd Griffithstown. Beth amdanat ti? Or you could even say a ti.